Hello there, Dave Hallock here at Gerry Gordon's Mazda and the Waverly Auto Mall with this fantastic 2016 Ram Sport 1500. It's got the Hemi, it's in dark navy blue. Let's take a better look at it. We just got this one in. It's got fairly new Year Wrangler tires on it, which are almost measuring right at brand new tread depth. Projection LED headlights. You got fog lights, halogen down on the bottom. Chrome matching Ram running boards. The side view mirrors are power fold, and you got the turn signals on them. Let's take a look in the back. Everything in here is in excellent condition. No smokers, no pets. The back seats, you just gotta give them a tug, and then this part comes up and folds down so that you've got a load flat floor, and you can still store things underneath on that side, and everything's up out of the way. So another kind of ingenious thing. Plus you got storage down below the panels. That just folds up in there like so, and then that comes back down. Then you're ready for passengers. That's pretty handy. The back windows also go down because it's a quad cabin. They go all the way down, which is a nice feature. You've got the tonneau cover on the back, front and rear mud guards, receiver hitch, chrome dual exhaust. It's got the multi connection for your trailer hitch, box liner, and that's the all-weather mats for it. This is the connector. Previous owner had a cap for it, kept the cap but threw in the tonneau cover, so that's a nice add-on. There's no real scratches or dents to be told of on this truck. Everything's in fantastic shape. And yes, those are big 20-inch wheels. Let's have a look at the inside. You also have the drive-through window on the back, as I like to call it. Heated side mirrors. Let's go in here. We got the power driver's seat. No wear and tear anywhere. The previous owner took great care of this truck. No wear or anything on the steering wheel. All your controls right up on the front. You've got the electric trailer brake module there. Here's your electronic shifters. The Uconnect system. You got storage. One level of storage there. Then another level of storage there. That's just the instruction manuals for the hitch wiring. Everything in here is in fantastic condition. It's like the truck's brand new. It's your map lights. I'll show you the power mirrors. So those fold in. Hello there. And fold out. All your climate controls are all touch sensitive in through onto the on the screen, so that's kind of neat. This truck only has 56,986 kilometers on it, and the stereo is, let me say, fantastic for this level of a truck. She brings the boom to the country yard and then some. So whether you're pulling a trailer or you just got a family and you need lots of room, this Ram 1500 Sport with a 5.7 liter Hemi is the perfect truck for you, and you'll find it right here at Gerry Gordon's Mazda in the Waverly Auto Mall. I'm Dave Hallock. Give me a call and we will get you in the driver's seat and have you rolling on home today.